how can you free up your C drive disk space on Windows? So these are some easy methods on how you can free up your C drive disk space on Windows. First of all, open your file explorer, go to the C drive right here, click on it, scroll down and go to Windows. Now after you reach Windows, search for software distribution option right here, click on software distribution, and after that go to downloads. Now inside downloads, what you can simply do is select all of these items and click on Shift plus Delete, which will delete all of the items that's stored in your download section right here. Don't worry, this is perfectly safe and you won't result in the deletion of any of your valuable data. You might not be able to delete some of the folders here, but that's okay. Just delete, those are deletable. And the next option you can try out is hold on the Windows key and press R. Now in this text box right here, type WSRESET and click on enter. After you do that, then this removes the cache from your Microsoft Store, which will free up the space. Now after you have had that done, then hold on the Windows key and press R again. After that, in the text box right here, type CLEANMGR. Click on enter, and after that, disk cleanup section will open up, in which you can see all of the disks that are available. So here I don't have any junks or bad registries, but you might see a lot of junks and bad registries in your PC, which will be occupying a lot of space. So you can simply select the files and just delete them one by one, which will help you to free the C drive disk space as well. Now again, hold on the Windows key and press R. After that, in the text box right here, type appwiz.cpl, which will open the programs and features inside the control panel, and make sure that you delete the programs and features that are not useful to you. For example, some of the antiviruses. So when you buy a new computer, then the antivirus is automatically installed in your computer, which is absolutely useless. You can just delete them, and that will also free up your space inside your PC. Now after you apply all of these options, then make sure that you restart your PC. After you restart your PC, then your computer will be as fresh as a daisy. So that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.